This video is sponsored by Editor's Keys. For a great selection of video editing and recording products, visit editorskeys.com. Hi everyone, this is Dave from Geekanoids and this is my unboxing and first look of the new BlackBerry Curve 9320. Now this particular one was sent to me by vodafone.co.uk. You can pick this up for £135 on pay as you go. So on first opening the box, we're presented with the mobile phone itself. I'll have a closer look at this in a short while. And further down into the box, we have got all of the accessories. Let's have a look what we get in here. So the first bag we've got here contains the power adapter. Now I'm in the UK, so this is a 3-pin UK power adapter. You'll get a country specific one in your country. And on the top here is a USB socket. Next item down, this is the earphones. Now these look pretty standard earphones. They're not in-ear earbuds. They're ones that sit just in sort of inside the ear, but not in the ear canal. And then we've also got a clip here for clipping to your shirt collar. We've got an in-line remote control, click to talk to take the calls, and then a little pinhole microphone on the back. And then we've got a 3.5mm audio jack. Next item down is the USB cable. This is used in combination with that power adapter that I showed you a short while ago. Full size USB on this end, micro USB on this end to go into the mobile phone. And then we've got some paperwork. We have got a start here guide. This is going to guide you through getting everything up and running. We've also got some safety product information and then what looks like some declaration information about the safety of the phone and the various components used. So let's have a closer look at the BlackBerry Curve 9320. So here it is, this is the BlackBerry Curve 9320. Let's just remove the protective film off of the front screen there. Then we've also got protective film on the back cover as well. Let's have a good look around this handset. So on the front here, we have got a 2.44 inch screen. The actual resolution on this screen is 320 by 240, and that's equivalent to 164 ppi pixel density. Now inside here, we've got an 806 megahertz processor, 512 megabytes of RAM, and 512 megabytes of storage. It also supports a micro SD card, so you can expand that memory. Just have a closer look at the keyboard. It's a very nicely spaced keyboard, still reminiscent of the previous Curves, not quite as nicely spaced or as big as the BlackBerry Bold range. And then we've got actual physical buttons that are on the opposing sides to this optical trackpad in the middle. And it's this optical trackpad that you use to navigate around the BlackBerry OS 7.1. Top here we've got a little speaker here for the incoming call quality. On the top we've got a sleep wake button, 3.5mm audio jack. On the side here we've got that micro USB charging socket. We've also got a BlackBerry Messenger key here for quick access to BBM. And then on this side we've got access to the camera and also a volume up and down button. And these are integrated in a similar way as to previous Curve models. On the back we've got a shiny back. Looks like it's going to be a little bit of a fingerprint magnet. And also on the back we've got a really nice camera, 3.2 megapixel camera, 4x digital zoom, and a flash on the opposing side. So background to the front, and I just want to have a feel of this trackpad, because the optical trackpad sometimes feels a little bit sort of loose on these models, but this feels a lot better made than those cheaper and previous BlackBerry models. It doesn't feel wobbly at all, it feels nice and firm, so a really good job on the trackpad. With regards to the screen, 320 by 240 resolution, not the highest resolution screen, but on a 2.44 inch diagonal screen, it's perfectly adequate. Now, the keyboard, I always like touch screens nowadays, but this feels very well spaced. When you're clicking the keys, you've got nice responsiveness to the keys. So again, I think they've done a good job on the actual spacing and tactile feedback that the keys give. Now this isn't going to be a full review, this was purely a first look and an unboxing of the Curve 9320, I think it feels really nice in the hand, and definitely the build quality feels as though it's been improved over previous BlackBerry models. As I said at the beginning of this video, this is available for £135 on pay-as-you-go from vodafone.co.uk. I think that's really good value for money to get a really quite nice looking handset. So please do give me a thumbs up on this video. Please also subscribe to the channel. Please keep an eye out for my full review of the Curve 9320, which will be on Geekanoids in about a week's time. Thanks very much for watching. I will see you all in the next video.